हाल ही में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक बड़ा डिसीजन देते हुए कह दिया है कि रियल एस्टेट कंज्यूमर्स कैन अप्रोच कंज्यूमर कोर्ट्स डिस्पाइट द प्रोजेक्ट बीइंग अ रेरा रजिस्टर्ड प्रोजेक्ट। नमस्कार, दिस इज प्रॉपर्टी मैटर्स एंड आई एम दीपक सिंह। ये जजमेंट दो रीजन से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। नंबर वन इसलिए क्योंकि जो कंज्यूमर्स ये सोचते रहते थे कि कंज्यूमर फोरम जाएं या ना जाएं, उनको मिल गई है क्लैरिटी। और दूसरा ये कि इसी केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दे दिया है कि बिल्डर बायर अग्रीमेंट में दी गई पोजेशन डेट को माना जाएगा या फिर रेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन के दौरान बिल्डर द्वारा दी गई डेट को।
The Supreme Court has finally settled that we can choose where we wish to go. Do we want to go to the consumer court? Do we want to go to RERA? It is our choice. The confusion which was clarified by this latest judgment given in Anil Patniji's case is that RERA does not bar consumer cases. If you fall within the definition of consumer, you can definitely approach the consumer courts. It is your choice. You can go to RERA also. RERA allows registration wherein certain timelines are given. That does not extend the time period by which the builder has to deliver the flat. It is still bound to deliver the flat as per the original contractual agreement.
Now let's understand what actually happened in this case and why did Supreme Court give this ruling?
That the deadline for possession was over. It was over as far back as in 2016. Now, when they could not get their flat, they chose not to wait for it. They decided that they wanted refund. So then they first went to the consumer court because their entire pecuniary jurisdiction entitled them to go to the National Commission. They went there. They won the case. They got an order giving them a refund of the principal amount plus 9% interest plus 50,000 rupees as cost. When the builder did not pay that much, they filed execution cases also in the NCDRC itself. Somewhere along the line, after a long delay of more than 100 days, the builder finally woke up and filed appeals in the Supreme Court.
In the Supreme Court judgment, reference has been taken to Section 79 of the RERA Act in deciding the jurisdiction of the consumer courts on real estate issues. So what does Section 79 say?
79, the heading reads bar of jurisdiction. That means a door is closed for us. Now, which door? It reads, no civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding in respect of any matter which the authority or the adjudicating officer or the appellate tribunal is empowered by or under this act to determine. This seems to indicate that civil courts cannot have jurisdiction to entertain real estate matters. The only question which arises is, and which I had to argue by showing a large number of judgments, was whether the consumer court was a civil court or not. And the fact is, it is not. That was settled long back. Because this is effectively a quasi-judicial body. It is a creation of a statute. It's not a civil court.
So what does this mean to real estate buyer? और सिर्फ इसी केस के नहीं, इस डिसीजन का बाकी प्रॉपर्टी बायर्स पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा?
The benefit to my clients, well, as far as my clients go, they do not have to start from scratch. That is the biggest benefit. Please understand, the reason why builders take this plea is sometimes to simply frustrate a consumer. We had finished fighting a case, we had finished getting a decree, we had started execution proceedings. At the final stage, it is saying that we should not have filed the original case and that original forum was wrong. So if the original forum had been wrong, we would have been forced to start our case anew by filing it in RERA and then proceeding with it as per procedure of the RERA Act. Now that the NCDRC order is valid, they will simply execute the order. We are giving the power to the consumers. They can make their choices. They'll make the choices depending on various factors. One factor could be convenience, because you see, RERA authorities are not there, say, in every district, whereas the Consumer Protection Act permits you to file anywhere, even where you reside.
माना जा रहा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस डिसीजन के बाद उन कंज्यूमर्स को राहत मिलेगी जिनके घर का सपना बरसों से अटका हुआ है। Empowering a home buyer, especially during these COVID times, is important because it builds consumer confidence and paves way for investment into real estate. A real estate buyer will only put in his money if he feels confident about the builder as well as the law. How do you feel about this video and this judgment? Do let us know by commenting here or by tweeting to me. This is Deepak Singh signing off with cameraman Manish Sharma. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to MBTV.